Yes. Well, so these are the books of English literature, and we have to complete both these books.
Morning, sir.
Good afternoon, beta. Very good afternoon. So, first book is Honeydew, which is also known as main book. Okay, I can hear noise. Yes, yes, I have muted everyone. Now I think you can hear me clearly. Okay. Well, so let us carry on. So this is your main book named Honeydew, and it so happened this is your supplementary book. Okay. It is not like that ki main book is very important and supplementary is not so important. No, it is not like that. Both the books are very important. And if I talk about Honeydew, in Honeydew you will find prose and poetry. Prose means a short part of any big novel or any short story or any real story. What is this lagging? Yes, now it's also lagging. Let me unmute yourself. Yes, tell me.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Now it's not lagging. Before it was lagging.
थोड़ा तो
Yes,
लैग
sir.
कर रहे हैं.
Okay, thank you
Sir,
so much.
not lagging. It is
Sir,
very. Sir, is this सर ये वही वाली मीटिंग आईडी जिससे हम लोग कल अटेंड किए थे?
Yeah, yes, of course. That is the same ID.
hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we need not to wait for the link. We can directly join from the meeting ID and password. Na?
Yes, but I
Hello,
saw
sir.
that very few students could join. Yes, who is that? Harsh.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
सर
morning, sir.
आप अभी क्या नोट्स लिखवा रहे हो सर?
Now we are going to start the first chapter. We are going to start the first chapter from your literature books. So, Harsh, have you purchased?
Excuse me,
Yes.
sir. Why-
Sir, I'm Shubh
Sorry,
Lunia.
Shubh.
Please give me the name option.
What's your name?
Sir, I'm Shubh Lunia. Shubh Lunia.
Okay,
Can you
Shubh.
give me the rename option?
Okay, I'm changing your name. Don't worry. Yes, done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Shubh, just we have started now. Don't worry. I'm just introducing the books which you have to purchase, and I hope you must have purchased. All have purchased
Okay,
most.
sir, grammar book.
Yes, definitely. I will share. Actually, I am just going through few grammar books, and let me see which one will be the best one. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. Well, so these are the books we have to complete and see. In Honeydew, you will find prose and poetry both. Okay, there will be prose and there will be poetry. Poetry means poem.
That
Okay.
prose means
Prose means
That
short
was
story,
name.
short stories. Okay, and
Oh.
sometimes prose means also you must have heard about novel. Novel is so lengthy. So when you take any very small part from a novel or any big story, at that time it is also called prose. Okay, got it?
Sir,
हिंदी
in
में
next happen there are, I think, only moral stories like.
actually both the books are like this.
Oh,
Okay, moral stories, of course both the books contain moral stories, but supplementary is of course very easy stories, and of course you will enjoy. I mean, you will be able to understand all the stories easy. So I don't think I will have to teach you the stories. You will be able to understand. By the way, definitely we will discuss the story. Well, so first we are going to start main book. Okay, so as I told you, main book contains prose and poetry, and supplementary only prose. Okay, there is no poetry. Clear? So let us start then. Honeydew first lesson. We are going to start Honeydew first lesson. Yes, here we go. You can see the lesson 1, that is the best Christmas presents in the world. And can you pronounce the name of the writer? By Michael. What?
Morpugo.
Okay, Morphugo.
Morpugo.
Michael
Morpugo.
Okay. Yes, 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 my dears.
Sir,
Uh,
who is Michael Moore?
Mike.
Michael Moore.
Michael Morpurgo.
Character of last year.
Morpur. Sir, it is like Morpur.
Yes, actually, R is silent here. Means you should not.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Michael
Sir.
Go Morpur.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Actually, network is troubling me. Yeah.
Sir, अब भी हो रही है.
Okay, now. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Okay. So, the best Christmas present in the world, written by Michael Morpurgo. Okay, Michael Morpurgo. We should not stress R here. If you say Morpurgo, okay, no problem.
lagging.
Again, it's lagging. Just a minute. Just a
Yes,
minute.
sir. Voice is lagging.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
अभी भी lag हो रही है.
Well, my dear students, how is it now?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
One,
Yes.
1 second ago, you just left and joined again.
It is much better.
Actually, there was a network issue. Oh. Well, so let us continue now. Michael Morpurgo, and he was born in UK, and you know the full form of UK. What is that?
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom, exactly. And the capital of UK, that is also very common, and everyone knows this. Okay, yes, correct. So Michael Morpurgo, he was an
Do you know
English
the capital of USA?
USA. Beta USA.
Washington DC. Washington DC.
Yes. Okay, so Michael Morpurgo, he was an English writer. English means he was born in UK, and of course you know that the official language of UK is English. Well, so now let us know something about the story, which of course very important. So here you can see a heart-touching and emotional story of the आ जाएगा actually यहाँ पर of a world war आ गया, कोई बात नहीं, इसको द कर देते हैं, एक मिनट. The World War One. Okay. Acha, do you have any idea about World War One? I mean, how many countries?
Sir, again.
Yes.
No, it
Sir,
was
again your
started in
voice was lagging.
1914.
Yes, exactly. And the duration of World War One, it was almost 5 years, almost. Okay, so very painful, we can say, or very horrible. It was 5 years. Okay, so in this story, we will come to know uh, a different scenery, or you can say different part of war. Generally, when we say war, it means bloodshed, it means destruction, it means loss of lives, it means loss of wealth. That is called war. But it is not like that always. You will find a different picture in this story, which occurred in World War One. Okay, from the pen of Michael Morpurgo. Okay, and another thing which you can see here, the best way to destroy an enemy is to make him a friend. It is a proverb, and do you believe on this is true? I mean, how many of you think this is true? The best way to destroy an enemy is to make him a friend. I think it is true. Okay, sometimes
It's true.
yes, yes. So it is not always that you have to fight. Sometimes you should make your opponent friend, so the war will over. Okay, now let us move to the next slide, and what is waiting for us, let us see. Yes, just a minute. I would like to go back, and I would like to tell you the analysis of the title. Title क्या बोल रहा है? What is the title? The best Christmas present in the world. So present means, of course, here it is gift. So while we are talking about Christmas, of course, here present is not time, it is a gift. Okay, so now let me tell you the types of gifts. You can find there are three types of gifts, and the first one is materialistic, second one is emotional, and the third one is memorial and tribute. And now you tell me which one is the most important for us. Materialistic, if I tell you,
Emotional.
in,
Emotional.
okay, let me talk about materialistic present, like Sony PS5. So this is going to be a materialistic gift to you. If I give you Sony PS5,
For boys, I think.
yes, Maulik?
Sir, the materialistic Sony PS5 gift
Ye-
will be good for boys only, I think.
No, girls are also nowadays. I have seen many girls are many girls have become online game streamer. Okay, so yes, boys will be very much happy if they get Sony PS5. That is materialistic. But what about emotional gift? What do you think? Emotional gift, emotional present.
Sir, emotional gift like sir,
Yes, yes, yes. Try.
like a photo frame of family.
Yes, correct. It is not so expensive. If you frame any photo and if you gift, it is not going to be so expensive, but it has something emotional values.
Yes, sir. It is not as expensive, though it is very expensive, we can say, or valuable.
Of course, it is priceless. Means you can't buy emotion, from any shop. There is no shop in the world from where you can buy emotion. Yes, and the last one is memorial and tribute. Again, emotional and I mean second and third, almost in some ways, to some extents, both are same. Okay, memorial tribute, like if I show you my first letter, uh, when I was a child, at that time there was no mobile phone, no telephone app also. So we used to communicate through letter. Okay, so I wrote many letters to my relatives. So those will be, a present, of course. I don't have the letters right now, but my aunts, they are having the letters. So if they gave me those, I'm sorry, if they give me the letters, so it will be memorial and tribute. And of course, uh, it has emotional value too. Well, so if I ask you,
It's a WhatsApp.
Or
okay.
like any old thing.
Ah,
Like
yes, of course, of course, of course.
कार्ड सर पोस्ट कार्ड पे जो लगता था ना, क्या बोलते थे उसको, ऐसे
Stamp,
2010 लिखा रहता था उसमें।
stamp,
मेरे
stamp.
पास है सर, वो बहुत सारा, मेरे पास बहुत सारा है।
Ah, but you know, letter stamps, these are history now, because nowadays we don't need to write any letter. Just we have to type the message and send it. That's it. And you know what? You know, I was in West Bengal, and when I wrote, I used to write a letter. It took 1 month sometimes, 1 month to reach here from West Bengal to Chhattisgarh. 1 month, sometimes 2 months. Okay, minimum I think 15 days, maximum.
सर means you live in West Bengal.
Ah, yes, yes. I'm from West Bengal actually. My childhood, I spent my childhood in West Bengal. Okay, so let us continue. So, see, we have not started the story, but these are the things we need to understand, because this time questions are not going to be like, you know, it will be different out of the chapter. So I'm not, I know, making you scared. You just need to pay focus, and everything will be nice. Okay, so three types of presents you have seen here, and in this story the present is going to be from these two categories. Okay, the present will be emotional, of course. The present will be memorial and also tribute. You will find these qualities in the letter. Okay, so let us continue. So I have already told you, but I don't know whether you have noticed or not. Here the present is a letter, a later. Okay, and of course we are talking about 1914 World War. At that time, of course, there was no other ways of communication, no other way of communication, so only later was there. Okay, so let us continue and move to the next slide, in which you will find the characters of the story. So basically three characters: Jim McPherson, Connie McPherson, and Michael Morpurgo, of course, the writer. So Jim McPherson, it is very nice to read that previously he was a teacher, but afterwards he became a soldier, and not only a soldier, he became the officer of his troop. Okay, what does mean by troop? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, crew.
Troop. T- Troop.
Sir, means
Sir, group
all
of
the
military
group
men.
of-
Sir, a group of military men is known as crew.
No, sir. Group of military men are known as army.
Oh.
Then what is troop?
Sir, group of soldier is known as a troop.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone wants to change it or let it be?
Not sure.
Okay. Okay. There is actually troop and troop. I don't know, and there is big difference. If you can remember, in class 7, we read this troop, flock, fleet. याद आया क्या? आ जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा.
Yes, sir. Group. It is a collective noun.
Collective noun. Of course, it is collective noun. Well, so here the hero is Jim McPherson. You can say the hero of the story is Jim McPherson, and his wife Connie McPherson, and of course the writer Michael Morpurgo. Okay, so these are the characters. And now, what do you think? Who wrote the letter to whom? Who wrote the letter to whom? Jim wrote to Connie, or Connie wrote to Jim?
Jim
Sir, Jim to
Connie.
Connie.
To Jim.
Okay, Jim wrote
Connie
Connie.
to Jim.
Okay, you are saying Connie to Jim, and I think maximum students are saying Jim wrote to Connie. Am I right?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, you can send me through chat box also. Chat box your answer, no problem. Okay, so chat box is open. You can write that. Well, uh, uh, so we have come to know the characters. Now what's next? The next is background of the story. Means we are going to start the story, but we should know what is the background of the story. Otherwise, what happens? He sometimes you will find that a story starts from unknown place, unknown set, so it is very hard to understand the story. If I start any story without saying any introduction, so it will be very complicated to understand. So that's why we should know the background of the story. Okay. Okay, Jim, Connie, Jim to Connie, Jim to Connie. Yes, so absolutely correct answer. Those who have said Jim wrote to Connie, correct. Congratulations. By the way, ये तो assumption था. It was assumption. So those who said Connie to Jim, your answer is not wrong actually because it was of course assumption. Well, next.
Sir, actually both can write to
Yeah,
communicate.
of course, of course. If Jim wrote to Connie, so it happened कि Connie also wrote some letters to Jim because there was no other way of communication. Okay, that is absolutely correct. Yes, Connie also wrote few letters to Jim, and Jim also wrote few letters to Connie. But among all these letters, one was very emotional, crucial, and of course it was a tribute. So that is going to be the best present in the world, Christmas present. Yeah. Yes, next you can see we are going to start the story, but before that we should have the what you can say, starting or introduction of the story. So here the author has come to a junk shop to buy an old table as he wanted to spend a little money. Yeah. So yes, in India we say second hand materials. Okay, when we want to
Yes, sir. Second hand.
when we want to spend a little money and we want to get something, so we buy the second hand materials. Okay, so the author, yes, Michael Morpurgo, he has come to a junk shop. Here junk shop means a shop where you will find the used or what you can say, poor materials. Is not new, old and second hand, third hand, whatever you can say. That's why it is called junk shop. Okay, well, so from here the story starts. So if you have the book, please open your book and just go through your book because there are few words and the word meanings are given in the book. I don't have added in my slide because I want you to find the meanings. Clear? So yes, here we go. This is the first
Sir, there is a
paragraph.
mistake.
Where, beta?
Sir, explanation.
Explanation. What's the mistake,
Sir,
beta?
there is missing I.
No, beta, I is there.
Sir, EXPLAIN.
No, beta. That is
No, sir, it
explain.
is right. Explain.
No, no. See. There is a okay. Very nice question, my dear. When we say explain, okay. When we say explain, at that time we write EXPLAIN. Okay, but the pronunciation of explanation, it is not like explanation. We don't say explanation. We say explanation. So there is no need of I. In the same way, when you see clear, CLEAR, but when you say clarity, what is the spelling of clarity? What is the spelling of clarity?
CLARITY.
हाँ.
LAR.
Yes. So it depends on the pronunciation. Okay.
Sir, the music is coming.
Actually, my phone is ringing. Who is that? I need to make it silent. Okay, done. So let us continue. Yeah, here from here we are going to start. And for your kind information, this story is divided into three parts. Okay, part one, part two, part three, just like web series. Web series season 1 part 1. Okay, so of course what you see first,
Where
a
do you
table.
watch?
Yeah, yes, sometimes, not regular. So you can see a table, and this table is known as roll top table. Okay, roll top table. So yes, this is also, I think we should consider this as a character, although it is non-living being. But yes, this roll top table has a big impact in this story. Okay, because the whole story, started because of this roll top desk or roll top table, you can say. Okay, so I told you that Michael Morpurgo has come to a junk shop to buy an old table, and this is the table actually he is going to buy. Okay, so now I would like to ask you to read, and who will start? Okay, Naitik Jain. Naitik Jain, unmute yourself and you have to read. And today we are only
Yes,
going
sir.
to, yes, you have to read this paragraph from here. I spotted.
Okay. I spotted it in a junk shop in
Brit,
Bridport, a Bridport, a roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces. One leg clum-
clumsily,
clumsily,
clumsily mended.
clumsily, clumsily mended. Scorch marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. Okay, good. Very good, Naitik. Good try. Now, Gia Jain, unmute yourself. I will ask anyone randomly, so you have to be prepared. Yes, Gia, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, you have to read this again.
I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport roll desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one, but they were too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended. Scratch mark all the down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began to work on Christmas evening.
Christmas Eve, very good. Yes, if I ask what does mean by spotted it, you can find in your book. So those who are sitting with book, They must say the meaning of spotted it. Can anyone tell me?
Sir, I know.
Yes, Tanmay, tell me.
Sir, I am without the book. Spotted mean I found it.
Okay, very good. And scorch.
Sir,
Can it?
I am without the book.
Very good. And what do you mean by scorch?
Sir, burn mark.
Yes, correct. So, I will explain later on. Let us proceed to the next slide. And who will read? Who will read? Deshna. Deshna. Wait. All of you will get chance. Deshna, unmute yourself. We have very little time. Fast. I think Deshna, you are not there. Very bad. Or are you there?
Sir, can I read?
Sir, may
Sir, I'm reading.
Okay. Deshna is there. Yes, start.
I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The
Veneer.
the veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer fell open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. Sellotaped to the of it was a piece of line note paper, and written on it in shaky handwriting. Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915, to be buried with